Hey Chief, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use Clan Capital Gold in Clash of Clans, the currency you own from Clan Capital Rares. So let's dive in. As you can see, we are in the Clash of Clan Town Hall Duel base. This is my Clash of Clan Town Hall Duel base. Now, what is Capital Gold? First of all, Capital Gold is owned by participating in Clan Capital Rares. So if you go here, you will see the small board. If you click here, we are in the Clan Capital. So our clan, the Clan Capital raid will be started on 1 hour. As you can see, then you can start the raid from clicking here. Clan co-leaders and leader can start the raid by clicking on here. So using Capital Gold to spin, first of all you will get the Clan Capital Gold by playing the or attacking the other clan villages. So as you can see, the previous week I have gained 860 capital raid. Like this you will on the capital raid, like how your clan has performed. So if you go back home, at the here you will see the trader. If you click here and go to the raid medals, you can buy the whatever you like. Suppose you want to glowy one or gold or dark elixir, but to spend your clan capital, go on the clan capital again and you can choose the village where you want to spend the capital gold. So I want to spend on barbarian camp. Click on that and choose any defense, or click here and you can see which defense are not upgraded, and you click on that defense and click on upgrade. And as you can see, I have 2000 clan capital right now, and simply click on contribute and it will be contributed to that defense which you have selected. Now use Capital Gold wisely, prioritize defense and troops that will help your clan survive enemy raids and maximize your weekly regular gold or elixir weekly raid medals. And that's how you use Capital Gold in Clash of Clans. Earn it from Clan Capital Rates and spend it to your clan. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and share with your clanmates. See you on the battlefield.